Hi, welcome to Dignity of Children. We're excited that you decided to join our professional learning community as an industry partner to inspire young people to become the next generation of leaders and social entrepreneurs. Here at Dignity of Children, we work directly with educators and students to create student-led learning environments that allow young people to thrive. We also connect young people with professionals from the corporate and business world to create opportunities for real-world learning. So how can you get involved with us as an industry partner? To begin with, you can serve as a judge at our yearly youth entrepreneurship competition, where teams of young people present their business ideas in a Shark Tank format for a chance to win monetary prizes and mentorship with professionals. Here's how it works. A team of judges hears the pitches that young people present and then picks winners to get anywhere from $500 to $2,500 and up to invest in their business ideas. Judges also pick a team to mentor for 2 months to meet once a week for 2 hours to actually discuss how to bring this idea to life. Time commitment on the side of the professional here is about 3 hours during the competition and then 8 weeks of mentorship meeting once a week for 2 hours. The second way for our industry partners to get involved would be to serve as an advisor at our summer symposiums that take place twice, in June and August. That's where young people that participate in our other curriculums throughout the year present their progress. And the purpose of this event is to allow the voices of young people to be heard. We're looking for advisors to validate their ideas and provide them feedback and advice on how to make their ideas better. Unlike the competition, in the symposium, young people don't compete, but rather share their progress, essentially showing who they are and what they're interested in. The time commitment required for each symposium is usually about 2 hours. You can participate in either of them or both. This is more of an advisory experience for professionals. You can also get involved as an educator and either do a live virtual workshop or record a workshop sharing your experience in the field of your competency, including running your business, working for a corporation, or generally sharing your tips on achieving success in life. These workshops can be anywhere from 30 minutes to 90 minutes, at one time or a series, depending on your availability. Finally, we're always looking for sponsors to fund our youth entrepreneurship competitions and students from underserved backgrounds to participate in Ideas program. 100% of all donations go directly to students during these competitions and youth organizations who deliver our curriculums. To sum up, here are the 4 ways of how you can get involved with us: as a judge, mentor for our youth entrepreneurship program, as an advisor for our symposium, as an educator, and as a sponsor. We're grateful to have you as an industry partner. We're excited for this journey together, and we're looking forward to seeing how this work affects our young people. In the end, that's what we're doing here. We're creating the next generation of leaders, change makers, and social entrepreneurs.